Hi guys, this is Brendan from Vaughan Build. I'm here in one of our East End projects. It's a gorgeous sunny morning in September. Making some very good progress here at one of our sites. Come inside, I'll show you more. We are working with Chico's Forming, and these guys are doing a great job forming up all of the foundation walls with these panels that just click in together, and they are tied in with rebar. Interwoven kind of between the panels and the foundation walls. Concrete is poured and then these panels are then removed, and that is how the foundation walls are formed. Alright, so like I said, lots of great progress happening here in one of our East End projects. Watch this space, more to come. Bye for now.